Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use Lightshot, then watch this video. So Lightshot is this great screenshot on screen recording app, and the way to download is we just open the browser and we'll just type in Lightshot download, and we will open the Lightshot website and click download for Windows, and we will, once it finishes, we will open the folder and we will click yes. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next, and it should install. Click finish, and now we can find Lightshot here, and the way we use Lightshot is, so now I will show you the settings for Lightshot. Right click on this symbol of Lightshot and go to options. So now it shows you hotkeys here. So you can see the general hotkey is the print screen, so it will take the uh, area of how much you want. I'll explain that later. And the instant save of full screen is the shift plus print screen. So if you press shift plus print screen, it will take a screenshot of your entire screen. All right, so let's now put it to use. So I will click on this button and I will click once on the Lightshot, this one, and I will take a, I want to capture this much of the screen. Once I do this, I will click on save and I will click as screenshot 1. Now if I want to take a full screenshot, I will press shift and print screen, and it has been saved as screenshot 2, and that is the whole screenshot of the entire screen. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.